Hey yo, what do you have in your hand?
Some India filters.
It's a Polar Pro? Yeah.
Middle one.
Yes, let's try the middle one.
Put it here. There we go. You don't see that? It looks sick. Rolled around and look inside. Come on, catch. Or watch out. Okay, I have stopped it. Oh, there will be some big spider, I think.
No! On left side it will be better.
Okay, but which direction? No, this I think it's unsafe. I will look that, but or check that for some stupid bitch. I don't know. I think right side is better. I don't go this way. The grade be how we get down, but that's not our problem just now. It's problem of our future now. Just like this position down.
Okay. Now we have to get on the left side.
Yeah?
Because I don't think. Yeah, I think I climb on that rock and then on the upper rock. Yeah.
That's incredible. We are almost there.
Yeah, nice.
I'm happy that we tried it.
Yeah. Let's go.
That's sick. We'll push the whole stone from up down. Get me. Okay, wait. Okay, thank you so much. Oh man, look at that.
Yeah. It's a little bit windy here. This way!
Yes, to climb this down. let's go, let's go, let's go. We are still not down, so we haven't get the slap now. Yeah, it was fucking banger. I feel the danger, so it's banger. I don't know if it's the great idea. Climb down like this. Or back. Maybe back is better. Maybe I'm happy that we won't go up. Hey, let's go!
Let's go.
We are still alive?
Yeah.
We survived that, forget me! Which way you went? This? Or this?
I don't hear you.
Down, no wind.
Now yes.
It's the great thing, run down and have winter in my back and pushing me forward. Yeah, but it's inside.
Dangerous, but banger.
Hey, no, my foot.
About three dangers, like spiders, snakes, wind, or like heights.
Heights and the sharp of the stones and our stupid heads. Go in the car. Hey, get me.